Bro, are you excited to meet Lemmy today?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. Oh, dear Lemmy.
I am so excited.
Hey, Lemmy. Hey.
Oh, right.
Hey, should we talk here to annoy him?
Hey, Lemmy.
Hey, Lemmy.
Let me record real quick. I'm
Me?
gonna record right,
Okay, and bye.
Yo,
Four,
we're here with Cool Kid on
three,
VR.
2, 1.
2, 1. Yo, it's good, Lemmy.
Yeah, let's go. Look. You go.
Good,
You go.
Lemmy.
Go. Bo?
Lemmy,
Lemmy?
it's because we're here.
Do you know how you done?
Oh, crap. Fakey's gonna be mad.
You know you only lie like this.
Are we gonna get teleported?
You were
We're gonna
different.
get, teleported to the bathrooms. Oh, no.
No.
Said no.
No. Not now.
Oh, crap.
I think we got it one now.
Not here. Ruby actually had a run.
But we had to run again.
Okay. I'll see you run.
Thank God we did not die.
Hope he doesn't die.
Imagine he should got to troll again.
Oh!
Goodbye for now. Why
ow.
did... Wait, what the...
Whoa.
What the heck?
Hello. Hello.
Bro, where are we? We should gotta get out here.
Oh no, what?